channel. I'm in my bathroom today, gonna do a hair get ready with me. I'm gonna go wash my hair, and then when I get back, we're gonna show you the products that I put in it, and we'll style it together. I'm gonna go ahead and go wash my hair, and I'll be right back. Just got out of the shower. I'm gonna tell y'all what I use to wash my hair. Kind of a hodgepodge of stuff. I use the Aussie. This is the volumizing. I think it does help with my volume. Or about once a week, I use the Ox to prevent thinning, but I will tell y'all, this will dry you out like a bone. It just will leach it. So don't use this on a daily basis. When I use this, I try to keep it at my scalp for treatment. Then I also keep in there Nioxin, because this is, the Ox is the off-brand of the Nioxin. This is the more expensive one, but this doesn't dry you out. So I'll use this sometimes like once a week, I'll use the Ox. I'm serious, y'all, don't use that much. The Aussie is mostly what I use. And then to get the moisture back in my hair recently when it was so dry, I've had this forever and didn't really like it. I kind of like it. The Kenrick Color Maintenance Conditioner. It really, I think, put the moisture back in my hair super fast. So kind of enjoying this. I'll keep you updated on that. Okay, then when I get out, I put on the Ox. This is the scalp treatment to prevent shedding. Now, I will tell y'all right now, I'm shedding like crazy. It's like I'm blowing my coat. I'm using this, and Ellis for Living just put out a great derma rolling video with pictures of scalp. I'm gonna start derma rolling my scalp more often. I just go in and put it, you know, just all over my scalp. I probably use too much of it. Get this at Sally's. And then I kind of scratch it with my nails to get it in there good, but I'm going to seriously start derma rolling my scalp more because Elvis had real good results with that. I'll let that sit for a minute. Then I just use the Garnier Fructis Gel, and I mostly use this for my bangs, to hold my bangs and the roots in place. I should get it pretty good, like that. Okay, go right back. And then I use one of two mousses, and these are new to me. Subscriber friends told me about the Got to Be Fantastic, and I love this. It holds good, makes my hair big and not stiff. This is my favorite. Then I also got the Living Proof. This makes my hair really big. I think I still like the Got to Be Fantastic better than the Living Proof. I'll let y'all know as I go along with them, but this is the one I'm gonna use today. It makes my hair nice and big. This is real rich. Okay, hang on. And then that's really all the product I put in. If I really wanted some extra volume, I sometimes might use the Bedhead Queen for a Day. I used to use that daily. And if I was going somewhere fancy and really needed to hold it, I would put on the Root Pump Plus just at my root right before it got dry. Okay, then I just have a very sad round brush I've had for about 20 years and a paddle brush that I probably picked up at CVS. And then I'm gonna dry my bangs, and I'll fast forward through this part. When I'm blow drying my bangs, I'm kind of going up and out. After I get my bangs dried, I just give them a shot with my Suave. I love this. And when I blow dry the rest of my hair, I'm going back and forth to get that volume in my hair, and then I'll come over the back. So I'll fast forward this. I style it like it's laying right now to this side. So the majority of the time, I want to have it on that side so that when it comes over, it's lifted. I'm going to go upside down and dry the rest of it. Okay, then we're a frizzy mess, and I'm going to use this to straighten it before we use the flat iron on it. And I have a crock that I got at Ulta, and I love this flat iron. So, gonna turn that on. I do not brush through this because I don't want to brush it down. If it feels too slick, if you have fine hair and you want it to be more textured, the Living Proof Dry Volume Blast is my absolute favorite. I just come under here. I don't need a lot of it today because my hair is already feeling pretty textured. So just spray it in there and then, you know, kind of at the roots. Okay, then I'm going to get my flat iron. And I just come really from about here and down. And I would say angled inward a little bit, so it kind of turns center. And I'm not really sectioning, I'm just grabbing chunks, you know, just kind of smoothing it down. And if you want to see how I do hot rollers, nothing's changed since my last one. I did hot rollers in my last Get Ready With Me. You know, coming around the back, pull that back to the front. Any part that feels frizzy and like it needs to be straightened. And I'm working with a lot of layers. I will come back and do a video next time I layer my hair, and I'll show you how I do that, because I haven't been to a salon since my daughter was 13 and she's now 19. 6 years. So I'll show you how I do that. And then I'm just grabbing ends, go up and out. So you're not flattening all that work down that you just did with the blow dryer. And out. See how I'm going out with it? Never down. Never want the hair going down. Well, not if you want volume. And then I'm going to go over my bangs. I'll show you how to do my bangs. Okay, this side part over here, we're going out. And down a tiny bit. Then the middle, kind of up and out. Want it to go under a little bit, but not too much. And over here, I'm going to this side, like aiming that way. I'm going this way with this set of my bangs, this way with this set of my bangs, and then kind of a middle part. Sometimes I'll sweep it to the side, you know, more like that. But I always keep them kind of short. That's just because I need height, y'all. I think I have a short top of my head that makes me need height. Me and my sister both need it. And then I am going towards my scalp now, but I'm going out. You know, just backing out. I'm going to take my full dry, living proof, full dry volume blast, and I'm going to shoot my roots. That was quite a bit. That's pretty wet. Okay, and then just right here by my face, I usually kind of flip a piece or two up. Give it some shape. And then pull from underneath. I have some short hairs, short unhealthy hairs under there that I need to put oil on. They break off. So I pull out from underneath. Okay, then if I want any more lift at my root, I'm going to get just a comb. I have this one, I have rat tail combs too, but just any comb and just kind of right at the root. Then when I get it like I want it, I'm shooting it with either Sebastian Shaper Plus, which I love, or Paul Mitchell Freeze and Shine, which I also love. I love all these. Paul Mitchell Freeze and Shine gets a lot of love. And then I'm just spraying right at the root. As little as possible, because if I spray too much, at the end of two days, a day or two, it's real stiff. And that's how I do my hair. Tonight I'll sleep in a high ponytail. I have a tutorial for how I do my high ponytail. I'm going to link that, and I'm going to link my first Get Ready With Me, so you'll have the hot rollers if you want them. Tomorrow I'm going to come back and do a second day hair video. That's all I've got for you, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.